Hello guys, in this video I am going to create a web template in HTML. So basically I am going to show you exactly the basic structure of any HTML web page in this video. So what you need to do first is you need to open up the brackets, and then you need to select the folder, your working directory. You could create a new folder by clicking on file and then open a folder, and then you can create your folder in desktop. I have created a folder with name as responsive website. So just you need to create the folder and then you need to select that folder. So this folder will came up over here, and then you need to right click in this area and then select new file and give it a proper name as index.html. .html is an extension of HTML web page, so you must need to put it right here after the name of your web page. And I have choose index as a name of a web page because index is a root file of any website. So that's why I have choose this name index.html. So you just need to type it out and then press enter, and then this editor will came up over here. Then you need to code the document in HTML. So first of all you need to define that you are developing your web page in HTML5. So what you need to do is you need to tag the proper HTML5 element, which is doc type HTML. So you need to type it out like this. So it is a basically this element will indicate the browser that the piece of code which you have provided, which you have typed out, is an HTML5 document. It is not an HTML old document, it is an HTML5 document. So basically you can include HTML5 functionality in it, and the browser will interpret the code as an HTML5 document. So it is essential to tag this element as a first part of your web page. So after it you can type out the standard structure of any HTML document. So first of all you need to type out the tag, which is HTML, and then inside this tag first you need to put it out the head tag. Head tag basically describe the head section of the web page, and then the body tag, and the body tag describe the main content of the web page. Okay, so after it you can give it a title in the head section, which kind of title you want to give to your web page, whatever you want to type it out. So I just give it a responsive web single page website, just like this. Okay, and then you can also type it out the meta tag. In the meta tag you can give it a proper name by using a name attribute. And what is it? It will contain the description, and afterward you can place the content on here. So what it does is basically it helps you to rank your web page better in search engine like Google. So whatever your web page is about, you can specify the content of the web page by using this meta tag, and it will help you to rank your web page higher in different search engine. So that's about it in this tutorial. This is the basic fundamentals of any web page, and like I said, that these elements represent the basic structure of any HTML5 document. So here you can type out the heading like hello world, and then what you need to do is you need to click on this live preview button on brackets, and it will preview your document as a live document in web browser. So what you need to do is just click it, and it will take some time to load it into your browser. As you can see, the document is loaded in my browser, and here is the content of the web page. Hello world. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.